What is up you guys, Master Cars Review here, and today I've been kindly invited down by MINI Lebanon to check out the only two MINI JCW GPs that will arrive to the country. And just before taking a closer look, here's all you need to know about MINI's famous GP series. In its third generation, the GP is a limited edition, track-oriented version of the MINI JCW, and it's the brand's most powerful car yet. MINI fans will refer to it as the GP3, following the GP1 in 2006 and GP2 in 2012. You'll notice that this year's GP stands out even more, with more red, wide wheel arches, and a ridiculously big rear spoiler. Fun fact about the wheel arches, they're made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, and they're actually a refined material recycled from the production of the BMW i3 and i8. The inside is a stripped out version of the modern 3-door Mini, with the second row of seats replaced by a bright red cross brace and a GP logo on the side. On the front, you'll find a 5-inch digital instrument panel and the familiar 8.8-inch center touchscreen, which is starting to feel outdated. Even though the car is relatively small, the cabin is surprisingly wide with excellent head and legroom for people over 185 centimeters, and the seats offer the best compromise between comfort and supportiveness. The beefy steering wheel is wrapped in soft Nappa leather and features large paddle shifters 3D printed in metal, a key feature to make the interior stand out, especially with its honeycomb structure and GP lettering. After driving the Coupe S version of the Countryman last year, I've fallen in love with all things MINI, as the driving experience is so engaging and fun. So imagine this JCW GP with its Turbo 4, 306 PS, 450 Nm of torque, and sending them all to the front wheels with a mechanical differential lock. Must be a dream to drive. If we have a look at this front fascia, I really like how aggressive this car looks with the fenders over there, and as well we have the red accents over here. Very wide air intakes, LED headlights as standard obviously in this car, and it's a track focused Mini. You can see it's number 2761 out of 3000 in the world. We're very lucky to have these two over here in Lebanon. I'm going to be jumping in the interior very quickly later on. If you take a look at the rear, we have this very dramatic rear spoiler on this car. Wow. And again, these LED taillights that we have on the new Minis with the UK flag that you get. And it's a very wide car. You can see the two exhaust tips over there at the bottom. And again, I can't get over how wide the spoiler is, with a nice cutout over here. If we jump quickly inside the new GP, and would you look at the interior, wow, it's very nice. Let me just turn off the lights. You can see the sporty seats with the GP emblem over there, nice suede seats. If I jump quickly inside the car and close up the door, we'll take a look. Actually, it's a very small cabin, as you'd expect, with the number nicely written over there. And then behind the steering wheel, you have this beautiful paddle shifters, really nice design, and over there, GP riding at the bottom. And so overall, very nicely laid out, very similar to the Mini Countryman that I reviewed a while back. If we just turn on the car really quickly, we have two digital displays, obviously. And revving it a bit, it does sound really nice. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the Mini GP. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. And until then, take care everybody. See you soon.